Hey, are you digging the Modern Rogue? Well, you can support us directly by buying a t-shirt at shop.themodernrogue.com. We got 3 designs.
So what do you think of when you think of nunchucks?
Bruce Lee, Enter the Dragon.
I always think of that and like Chinese Connection, yeah. Also Michelangelo.
Oh, I thought you meant the painter.
No one thinks, oh, the painter anymore.
The Modern Rogue makes nunchucks out of magazines.
All right, you told me we're making actual nunchucks, but I'm looking at cardboard paper tubes, I'm looking at magazines and a bunch of bookbinder clips. You pinky promised this is a legit weapon we're making.
Yes, this is the recipe from John Austin in his book, Mini Weapons of Mass Destruction, Build and Master Ninja Weapons.
Okay, now we made the mill wall brick and we made a prison spear, so I know enough to not just laugh out of court this idea of a magazine being a weapon.
Exactly. These are gonna hurt. They might not be as formidable as something made of compressed wood or metal, but they are going to be dangerous.
All right, walk me through it.
Now you want to get the magazines where they're roughly the same size for each of your sticks. We'll have these 2 magazines match with these 2, and you want to get them lengthwise on the spine, roughly even.
There you go, let's use these guys.
Yeah.
So I assume we roll this up?
Yeah, roll it up as tightly as possible. Look at that. Holy crap. You did really well.
Master roller. Here, hold this, I'll roll yours.
All right. Here, why don't we tape it first?
Oh.
And just wrap it up really good. Keep it as tight as possible.
You just twist around, twist around, twist around. Got it. Other side.
Look at that. Ugh. Okay.
Yeah. That. Yeah, all right.
Swap me.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, really?
Yeah, no, that's
Okay,
serious.
all right.
That's serious.
Good.
All right.
All right,
Now,
another one of these?
yeah, let's go ahead and do the other stick.
There you go.
Okay.
Got it?
All right, now we've got these. Pretty sturdy, right?
Sure.
Now we're gonna take these and we're gonna cut them lengthwise, and this is gonna act as kind of a sheath for these.
Okay.
Right?
So, and that's assuming that this isn't, yeah, I guess this won't
It's
fit.
not gonna fit all the way around.
Got it.
Right? We're just gonna cut it right up the middle.
And then just like a wraparound?
Yep. See how that works?
Yeah, and then just what, run
And then-
tape down the
and
side?
then- well, you probably wanna wrap it tightly again.
Oh, yeah. Wow, this is gonna
Yeah.
be menacing.
You see?
It's the world's deadliest candy cane. And then we could just put a band at the top and the bottom?
Yeah. What do you think?
Dude, it's
so
looking,
far,
looking
right?
great, looking great.
Yeah.
Feel that heft.
Yeah.
Okay, all right,
Right.
wow.
Yeah?
Sorry I hit you as hard as I did. All right, we got another sheath?
Yes, right here. Here, I'll hold it, you wrap.
All right, got it.
Okay, now this part gets a little bit difficult. We gotta get the drill
Yeah?
with the 1/4-inch drill bit.
You want thicker or? Let's just do a pilot hole with this.
Okay, the instructions say to drill in at angles that intersect.
What size are these?
You have the 2-inch binder rings that you wanna thread through with the hole we're going to drill.
Here, do me a favor. I'm gonna drill in. You hold this kind of right there
Okay.
so I can see roughly what I'm trying to get through.
Oh, good. Once again, I'm holding something while Brian wields a power tool.
I mean, name one time we got injured on set. Just one. Wow, it is harder to
Right.
get through than you would expect. All right, that's all the way through.
Well, yeah.
Tougher than you thought. Well, here, we have a shortened drill bit now.
Okay.
All right, line it up again.
Yeah, let's,
That's why you always have a backup drill bit.
and probably goggles. Should we've got
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can feel it poked all the way through.
Nice.
So now the question is, can we line it up on this other side?
Ideally, you'd like for the connector part to be on the outside.
Yeah.
So that you can tape them together to make sure that the clasp doesn't come undone. Easier said than done though, right?
Yeah. Here, tell me how you like that. Oh, Jesus.
Well, that's what we're gonna have to do,
Oh,
right?
okay, all right. I didn't know. You just had the intense, you had the eye of the tiger. I know, stop. It's terrifying.
It's pretty sturdy.
Right?
This isn't the right way, but
I mean, I'm gonna call that. That's on there
Yeah?
super hard, right?
I mean, I was giving it some decent swing.
Okay, we'll do the same thing again.
Okay.
This is not a toy.
And you
we should
thought-
tell them it's not a toy.
You thought it was gonna be a silly,
I-
like, children's party activity.
Totally did. Oh, it's close. Yeah. I can feel the vibrations on the ring as it gets closer. All right. What do you think of that?
Okay, I'm gonna put it through the test again.
All right.
Probably shouldn't have taken the goggles off.
Oh, no, it's too close. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Ooh.
Oh, it did come up?
It did.
So if we're doing this properly, it should go all the way through. You should be able to thread
Yeah.
it all the way across.
I think our sticks might be a little too thick to pull that off.
We also could have used a bigger drill bit.
You want to?
We could.
All right. That'll do. So what we actually have is we have one going all the way down and then one going all the way down, crisscross. So I would imagine it should form a tunnel that this could go all the way through, right? Here, I'm actually just gonna kind of warp it a bit.
Okay.
Ah,
There we go.
there we go.
Nicely done,
Just
sir.
like in the movies.
And you want to get it around so that we can tape it really good.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
There we go. Look at that.
That will work.
Do you want to do the other one the same way, or we feel good about this?
Let's go ahead and tape that clasp
So let's
closed.
start with super tiny. I'm
Yeah.
gonna thread this in. So if it's tight enough, it should keep that hinge on there okay. All right, dude. That thing is bound
All right.
on there.
We've got the 2-inch rings threading through the top of our sticks.
Okay.
And then we're going to connect them with 3 of the 1.5-inch rings.
Got it.
And you can buy a giant box of these on Amazon.
So I assume we want to tape these clasps shut as well, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Should we name her?
Ooh, Loretta.
Loretta. Okay. This, I want to believe, is silly, but I don't think it's about to look silly when you use it. I believe you're set.
Go for it. No, you
Show
first.
me your skills.
No, you first.
What?
Please.
Oh, jeez. Wow, these are heavy.
Yeah.
These are heavy.
They're a little bigger than I'm used to.
What? Oh, see? Yeah, see that you go like here?
Yeah.
And but the problem is you stop, right?
And you got to get accustomed to the weight and the balance of it. You've got.
Right? I know, like you
I don't-
forward and back if you want to look like you know what you're doing.
I've never taken any martial arts classes, but
But this looks
that
pretty
looks like
much
good form.
This looks, yeah. Let's see. Let's see.
Okay.
Show me your goods.
Careful. Yes!
So that answers our question from before, whether or not we should finish drilling it with a bigger drill bit. The answer is yes.
Yes.
Oh, science, people. Oh, that was amazing. All right, you got one of these that's a little less broken. So I guess we should encourage people, just go ahead and buy the box. You're gonna need them.
Yeah. We've destroyed 3 of them so far.
Oh, there it is.
Got it.
Bada bing bang. Boy, that's a bigger pain in the butt than you would expect.
Right.
And it does get a little bent on the way through,
Yeah.
but you can kind of bend it back into shape. Same trick, we'll seal it up.
As everyone dons their helmets.
You feel like that's sturdy?
I think so. Do you want to take it for another spin?
Sure, if I could show my hilariously slow motion skills.
No, it's all right. It's all right. It's good.
What? All right, take it away.
I'm afraid.
Yeah. You and me
Okay.
both. We made those extra deadly. Yeah. Dude, you've got real? We need to glue the bindings.
No, this was actually one of the smaller ones.
Yeah,
now.
I know. It's like we got to figure out a way to clip those extra hard. So the problem is we have too much mass swinging around.
Yeah.
And these guys aren't up to the stress. So
The tape itself just broke.
just tore.
Yeah.
Double up all the way through. Double, double, double.
Yeah.
Two.
Yeah.
And then 2. And then 2. With them bound like that, we could even tape them individually and as pairs.
Yes.
This is why true ninjas don't make nunchucks out of duct tape.
Yeah, they go to
The nunchuck store.
the Nunchucks store.
They go to
yeah.
Jimmy Nunchucks.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Nunchucks. You tired of using duct tape for magazines? Come on down to Jimmy Nunchucks. You can beat some ass like a pro.
And then now I'm gonna bind them together. This has to be it. Has to be it, right? We can't mess it up 3 times in a row. Show me your ninja skills, sir.
I'm not great.
No,
right?
give me your chuck skills, bro.
All right.
Oh man,
They're heavier than I thought.
I deeply. Oh! I will never break into your house.
Yeah, they're far heavier than they need to be.
You think that's our problem?
I think that's a huge part of the problem.
You want to try making a small one real fast?
Let's try making a small one.
Might
real
even be
fast.
faster?
Yeah.
All right.
2 sticks.
Oh, with just these?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, we're taking up individual magazines this time. You know what, that does work. That'll be just fine. And once it's in there, it settles and it opens itself up.
I'm thinking that maybe we should have cut it so they would be smaller, because as it unfurled, and it would be smaller and tighter.
All right, this is much, much tighter this time. And we'll get the ends first. Yeah, that's gonna work a lot better. So the ridiculously overmassed ones, not so good.
Yeah, that's actually more like nunchuck size. Much easier.
Yeah?
You still want a double link?
Yeah. Seems like it couldn't hurt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. All right. I think you have a set of real chucks here. Feel better about these?
Yes. 2.0.
Yeah, Loretta 2.0. Take
right.
it away.
You want
Oh,
to?
you want yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, that feels much. Whoop.
There
There you go. Yeah,
See?
all right, all
Yeah.
right. So it's like I'm feeling, there we go, there we go. Okay, all right. All right, take it away, boss.
Okay, they always break with me.
I know, it's because your skills are too tight.
I don't think that's the case at all, right?
Boy, you really do, you swing them hard.
Yeah. But here's what I never can get.
I just know it's
Yeah.
gonna break on me. Wow! Holy cow! All right, I give up, I give up, I give up. You can have your stereo back.
People who know how to use this
Oh,
are
they're
looking at
laughing
me.
their
They're like,
ass off.
Look
That's
at this
fine.
asshole.
All right, here we go. We gotta do one test.
Oh, yes.
All right.
Yes.
All right, hold on, out of the way, out of the way.
Yeah.
Look at that!
Yes.
That's amazing. Oh my God!
All right.
That's brutal.
Just go straight back.
Yeah, okay, great.
A new challenger approaches, Brian.
Ah, my old nemesis.
Come on, get up. Okay.
All right.
Wait,
I'm
come on.
gonna hit the. All right. Oh wow! 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 Whoa! 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 Look at this. We're hitting so hard, it's pulling the
Ooh.
magazine part out. So that's interesting. So you want to make sure that the duct tape's over the top too.
Yeah.
All right. So we could do that.
I should probably hit it like in this direction.
Let me just hit this one more time. All right.
You forgot this. You have to do this.
Oh geez. You know what? I forgot to get away. Is what I forgot to do.
All right.
Wow! You can see the individual ridges and folds as it rippled in there. That's amazing. Super effective?
Super effective. Oh, okay.
This one.
Nice. All right, I gotta take another
It was
smack.
super fun.
Yeah.
The neighbors probably not enjoying this.
Well, they can come over and take it up with us if they want. You're like, is there a problem? Oh, we're too noisy?
Da 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 da. Wah. And we're done.
And we're done.